So a couple weeks ago, I went through the effort of trying to install OS2 Warp version 4 on the IBM ThinkPad T43. Why would I want to do such a thing? Well, the IBM ThinkPad T43 is the last official IBM ThinkPad that has native OS2 support. However, you gotta do your research because I found out the hard way that this one has an Intel display. Now, why does that matter? Well, I'll tell you why it matters. Because OS2 only worked on the ATI display. So I tried so many times to try to install it, and it just didn't work. Oh my god. So yeah, that was a big waste of a day. So now I have a T43 that is completely useless to me. Like, what am I gonna do with this thing now? Install Windows XP? Maybe. So I was just like, okay, I'll just find a ThinkPad with an ATI display. So I went over to eBay and what the hell? What the hell is this? $565? Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Auction starting at $320? Oh my god. What are these prices? Like, what the hell, man? For a business laptop from 2005 that cannot possibly be used as a daily driver in the year 2021 with a single core processor and probably 512 megs of RAM? Come on. Where are these prices coming from? So, you want to know what I did? You want to know what I did? Oh, and by the way, to you guys who think that the T43 is a quote-unquote gaming laptop, get a reality check, please, because I see it on eBay all the time. But yeah, this aired out. So what did I end up doing? I bought another one. Yeah, so I bought another T43. So now I got two of them. And look at this. So open it up. Yeah. Yeah. ATI display. So it's gonna work. But oh my god, the keyboard is so worn out. Look at the kanji key. You can literally see my reflection in the kanji key. And look at this track point. What is this? This is like one from the 90s. Turn this thing on. So yeah, this one came with the American keyboard, so I'm gonna do a keyboard swap. It's ridiculous. But yeah, this one has XP Service Pack 2 on it, for whatever reason. And like, that's useless. So yeah, I'm gonna install OS2 on this, and hopefully this goes over well. And I'm not installing the Japanese version because I cannot find the Japanese version of 4.52. I can only find the English release, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Yokoso. So yeah, I bought this thing for 6,000 yen, which is about 60 bucks. So, and I bought this one, this useless one, for 5,000 yen. So in total, I spent 11,000 yen, or $110, on two T43s. So yeah, I overpaid like a motherfucker. I understand that. You may think like, you're really stupid, but I really want to do this because if I can have a dedicated OS2 Warp computer that I can bring on the go that has the most modern version of Warp, I'd be the biggest baller ever. And also, who the fuck installs Norton? Are you serious? I'm guessing this computer hasn't been used in over a decade, and they haven't even installed the fingerprint reader. Like, oh my god. This has the potential, though, to be a main driver for OS2. Has the big potential. And if I can do this, I will install some nice software. I'll recommend some software for you OS2 users. Yeah. Now, with the keyboard swap and a brand new 30 gig hard drive, this thing should be good to go. Okay, now we got this thing plugged in with our brand new hard drive. Let's set the boot order and then can finally install some OS2. Let's hope the keyboard works. Yes, it does. Nice and nice. And that's an issue with the T43s where they're very picky on their hard drives. I mean, that's no big deal though. This thing is noisy, I just noticed. Ugh. Well, that's kind of annoying. Let's go to
our startup, boot. So USB floppy, legacy floppy, that's our CD drive, yeah, DVD drive, hard drive. All right, looks good to me. So let's put in our boot CD. Excuse my piracy, I actually do own a legitimate version of 4.0, but it's on its way in the mail. So put this in. And yeah, let's do this. Stocked all. Oh, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. Yes, 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 yes. Now, I must look at a guide online. So there's a very good guide online. I'll link it in the description if this actually works. But it basically just goes over OS2 on ThinkPad T43 because that is apparently a popular thing that people like to do. Alright, so let's do this. Hopefully the view is good. Let's press escape to continue, and hopefully this will boot from the CD. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And we are on the last official revision. There's actually date on this for April of 2002. So we're pretty modern, actually. More modern than XP RTM. So the software support should be pretty damn good, I'll say. So we'll cut to when I can actually do something. Okay, now we're going to put in our next CD. I've had quite a bit of issues with this actually, where it won't detect the second CD. So hopefully it will detect it right away. Wait till the drive spins up and then I'll press enter. Hopefully this will work when I press enter. Come on. Hear the drive spinning. Yes, it works. Okay, good. Welcome. Congratulations on your purchase of IBM OS2 Warp version 4. OS2 Warp version 4 contains the following powerful components and services. So, file print, Netscape, Tivoli, what? Java Virtual Machine. Ooh. Okay. This partition hard drive. I hate fdisk on OS2, by the way. Like, I need a guide for it. So, volume sizes, yes. Warning. When volumes are modified, all data on those volumes, that's fine. Okay, this is the part that I hate. So I gotta really read. So a volume of the following minimum size will be set to installable. This one's saying 16 gigs. So I just gotta calculate that real quick. Calc. So 16 times 128, 1028. That equals to wait, what? Wait, what? No. How come it wasn't working when I tried to enter it in? Damn it. Or that's just telling me the minimum. So, God, I hate this thing. So, create a new volume. Yes. Create a volume that should be made to bootable. Yeah, the C drive. Or 4. Okay. So, I'll get from free space. Yes. It's gonna be called warp 4. Size of the partition. We just want 16448. Yes. Now I want to do some options. Set volume to installable. Theoretically, that should be it. I hope. I don't really just read this. Change it to installable, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that should be it. So we should be able to do F3 to exit. Return, save changes and exit. This partition is complete. The system must be restarted so that the partition blah blah blah. So reinsert the installation media. So we'll take out our software disk and put back the boot CD. Come on, get Oh my god, get in there. Are you serious? Okay, there we go. Right, Control Alt Delete. And there we are. Man, there have been so many times in the past where that installer just screws me up. It makes me think like, you know, oh, is my hard drive having like bad boot sectors or something? But no, it's just me messing up the installation process because it's bootable, installable, and all these weird terms. Whereas like on Windows, I'm gonna be honest, it's way easier to install. Like with OS 2, you gotta know what you're doing. But because I want to install OS 2 on a couple of these computers over here, especially that especially the Aptiva on the right. I'm going to put Warp 4.0 on that. That should be a lot of fun. Okay, go back here. Triangle that. Maybe I should go with Warp 3 as well. But apparently on the T43, only the latest revision of Warp actually works. Which makes sense, but it's just like, why can't you? You don't even have the option to install the other ones, which is really weird. At least according to this guide that I'm reading. Who knows? Okay. Put the CD back in. And then from this point on, we should just be able to install Warp. Hey, maybe if I get so used to installing Warp, I can finally become OS2 Senpai and not Kohai, but from now on, I just don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. Do this enough times and maybe I'll get actually good at it. So loading the requested files, you better load the requested files. Okay, there we go. Good. Enter. Yes. Okay, so installation volume selection. The term hard disk refers to a physical device, a partition, blah, blah, blah. All right. OS2 Warp will be installed on the C drive. Good. Accept the volume. We're going to do a quick format. One time I did a long format, and yeah, it was going to take 24 hours. The installation can be formatted with either high performance or FAT. Well, we definitely want to go with FAT, since that we're using OS2. Oh, we only have high performance. I'm just making a joke, of course. What else would you go with? Why would you install OS2 and go with FAT? Like, come on, it's like installing Windows NT and going with FAT. It makes no sense. Okay, we're gonna wait for this to format and we'll cut back to when I can actually do something. Oh yeah, there we go. One critique I do have is that once it's formatted in the drive, it doesn't really show anything. And now OS2 is gonna brag to us why it's so good, and it's taking all the floppy disk images that they loaded on the CD. So OS2 Warp 4 convenience package brings you continuing delivery of OS2 network computing enablement and transition functionality. What? Oh, here we go, another one. Provides continuing support of new hardware and device drivers for the OS2 operating system. Oh yeah, installing drivers is hell on this thing, by the way. DVD/UDF for data storage and retrieval is included, along with USB support? Really? I did not know that OS2 had USB support. We gotta try that out. Oh, maintains a reliable OS2 platform, fully tested and integrated into a single installation package. So with the version of Warp I have on my T43, I'll show that off later on the video. There is no USB support. Absolutely not. But maybe I don't know. I never bothered plugging in a USB in there. Now includes a stronger level of encryption worldwide. Oh my god. Worldwide? Oh, I thought I could only use it in Canada. Yeah. I miss it when operating systems used to just brag to us, just like, you know, here's why you install me, here's why I'm so good. Now it's just like with Windows 8, I think it started with Windows 7 actually, where it just doesn't, you know, it has, I love Windows 7, but it needs to brag to us why it's good, because it's the best. Provides new enhancements for OS2 Warp server for e-business, such as the latest TCP IP device drivers, logical volume manager, and Glocal. E-business? Ugh, who would ever thought that would become a thing? Disgusting. Oh yeah, there we go. I will say, compared to like Windows 98, I mean, it is a little bit of a bland installation thing where we're just looking at blue screens the whole time. For those of you who don't know, Warp 4, because this is just an updated version of Warp 4, originally came out in 96, so yeah, I guess so. Warp 4 is checking your workstation's configuration. Chances are, since that this ThinkPad is from 2005 and this installation of Warp is from April of 2002, at least that's the date on the disk, it's not going to find any drivers. Joy. So I'll show you how you can install some OS2 drivers. Was I supposed to take out the CD? I don't know now. I didn't read that. Oh God, what was I supposed to take it out? It didn't. I'm guessing it's not. It didn't. I can't talk. I'm guessing it didn't, or else there'd be some type of prompt. So since that the installation media CD isn't bootable, let's see if we can actually boot from our hard drive. Let's do this. All right, it's doing it from the hard drive. Yeah. Now we're freaking talking. Now we're talking. Wait for this to boot in. Oh, there we go. That's a beautiful splash screen, by the way. If only there was a modern version of Warp. Like, yeah, sure, there's Ecom Station and ArcOS, and they have their purpose, but they haven't really evolved OS2, which makes me sad. Like, if ArcOS was actually a suitable evolution of OS2, then yeah, I would use it, where it would have, like, more modern UI elements, like more customization, transparency, wider support for programs and stuff like that. But it just doesn't. And that's what makes me sad. It's just basically the equivalent of using Windows 95 in the year 2021. And I love Windows 95, don't get me wrong. Actually, I don't. NT 4.0, we'll say. I love NT 4.0, but it's just like, yeah, using that UI in the year 2021, as good as it is, I would like to have the option of, like, an updated thing, sort of like Windows 7, And Warp never got that treatment, unfortunately. It makes me so sad. Oh God, it's doing things. It's doing things. Oh my God. We got a mouse. We got a desktop. Yeah. And the resolution is obviously screwed up. If you saw the Windows XP thing, like the mouse is like 4 times bigger right here. I'll try to refrain from blocking the video, because I know I'm pretty bad for that when I put my arm across there. So here is the it actually detects our display. It detects our display. Fuck yeah. Alright, so this is the important part. Really, really important part. You don't want to mess this up. Okay. Deep breaths, because on the other ThinkPad, this is where we screw up. Alright. So, step number 13, you'll finally get to the setup screen. For video, you must choose Super VGA. So we got SVGA ATI. Yes. Alright, that should be good, because that's what would mess us up. Multimedia support, none. Oh, this thing better be able to play MIDI. Because Warp, I know it has its issues with MIDI. Oh no, because a T43 cannot play MIDI. So we'll switch our country. Yeah, Canada, English, I guess. And everything else looks good. Next. Yeah, that's fine. Next. I don't want to do a printer. Oh God. Okay. We gotta do our SVGA. Oh God. But it already said it on the thing. Why do I have to select it again? I gotta make sure there's not one with a bracket with the ATI. Okay, this goes in. Oh God. But it says SVGA, so do SVGA. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Oh, do I really want WinOS 2? Oh, why did they never? Oh my God. That's one of the things with OS 2 is that they never had a calculator program or a paint program. It's just like basic things like that they needed. Okay, so I'm OS2 Kohai. So my first name is OS2. My last name is Kohai. Department, I don't know, and company, poop. poo-poo. Oh god, so we'll get into this stuff later. I'm not doing freaking Trivoli. I don't even know what that is. Oh great. No, I don't want to do this. No network adapter for now. And user ID. Do I really have the set one? Yes, I do actually. Warp will whine at you for not putting one. So install. You have selected to complete the installation of OS 2 Warp. Select OK to copy the files and complete the installation. Or select cancel. Why would I want to cancel at this point? All right. Here we are, the moment of truth. So when we do our first boot, I'm gonna play some epic music. And yeah, let's hope this works. Oh god, what is this? I gotta go back into the guide. It's just installing stuff now. It's just like, okay, just password. It may ask you to install an optional video utility. You can ignore it. So yeah, I don't want this. I don't want. And that should be the last thing. Oh, got more stuff. Now, theoretically, according to this guide, it already detected the ATI display, so we theoretically should be good to go. I hope. Like, oh man. For example, if I was installing XP on this thing, I wouldn't have to worry. I know XP is going to work. I wouldn't even have to inject any SATA drivers because it's an IDE thing. Ugh, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can run OS 2. Please, please, please. Oh god, we got it bragging about itself again. IBM means three things: providing global solutions for a small planet, creating and applying advanced technologies to improve effectiveness and efficiency to which customers run their businesses, constantly improving customer satisfaction with the products and services we provide. Thank you for your continued support of IBM and OS 2. For a small planet, so you won't do it on Jupiter? Is that what I'm getting, IBM? Is that what I'm getting? You know, you're international business machines, but you should be intergalactic business machines. E-business, using the web to bring together customers, vendors, suppliers, and employees in ways never before possible. E-business efficiently connects valuable information to the people who need it. Look at those little computers. You can tell they're running OS 2 just from the little jagged thing. It's about web enabling your core business processes to improve customer service, reduce cycle time, get more results from limited resources, and actually sell products and services. Oh man, intense stuff right here. Now I see that the thing is at 100%. I think we're going to be doing our first actual boot pretty soon. Oh man, it's going to be exciting stuff. My heart's literally beating out of my chest right now. Like, I'm like sounding all happy and stuff, but this is intense stuff. It's so hard to get this thing to work sometimes. Well, I've never been able to get it to work on this actually. And if I can get this to work, this will be one of the biggest achievements in my, I guess, career, quote unquote. But that's just to get the thing installed. Then there's drivers. And the drivers are such a pain. They suck. Like, oh man. And it would be nice to actually add another computer to my OS 2 family. Oh god. Here we go. The moment of truth. The moment of truth, guys. Okay, once the splash screen shows, it's time to play the intense anime music. This is like an anime scene, you know? This is intense stuff. No. 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 Damn it. Device driver, no. No, it doesn't work. Okay, let's see what happens this time. Fuck, man. Oh my god. I got a good feeling this time. I'm thinking this is the one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Please, no error, no error, no. So we've come to the conclusion. Unfortunately, Warp 4 is, or any version of Warp is not compatible with the IBM ThinkPad T43 because it doesn't have the ATI display. Oh god. Oh god. Will it work? Will OS2 actually boot? Or am I going to get line 88 of the errors? Find out right now. Oh god. Oh my god. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Gambatte. Gambatte. Oh my god. Is it going to error out? Now's the time. Come on. Oh my god. The anticipation's literally killing me right now. It's booting off the hard drive. It's able to do that. But can we actually get in? Can we actually get in? Oh god. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. It's gonna load some drivers for like UDF whatever. And then we're gonna get in. Come on. I ran out of music. More music time. Oh god. Come on. It has to happen. This first boot is taking a while, I will say. Come on. You see the hard drive light's doing stuff. Like, it's trying to do stuff. Come on. When are we gonna get in? Come on! Or is this thing just gonna hang forever? Oh god, is it actually... I think it will boot eventually, but come on! You can do it, please? Oh god, okay. Oh god, okay. It's time. What? What? Are you freaking kidding me? Are you serious? What? But I got the right ThinkPad. No. No. There's no way. Are you serious? I did everything right. What? There's more errors? Another error? Are you serious? Are you serious? Line 80 is the display error. But wait, what? Wait, what? We're gonna make it in? Oh my god! Oh my god, we made it in! We made it in! What? What? Holy shit. Holy shit. Because before, on the other ThinkPad, it would never get past that screen. Never. Ever. We're in. We did it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta pull up a YouTube clip. I gotta pull up that Street Fighter clip from M. Bison. You know how I feel right now, guys? You wanna know how I feel right now? Well, I'll show you how I feel in terms of a YouTube video. Oh my, I'm literally shaking. Like, I've never made it this far. I've never, ever made it. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. It's literally shaking. So, M. Bison. Okay, where is it? This is how I feel right now. This is how I feel. Oh my god, I didn't think I'd make it this far, honestly. I really didn't. I was about to stop the video and just rage and smash this thing. Not really, but okay, we gotta load up the guide. It doesn't say anything about getting the errors though, so that's quite interesting. So at this point, let's just skip that. And that's it. That's it for the guide. It says, stick with that. Yeah, that's it. Next, we just install the drivers and we're done. Like, that's it. So what I'll do is I will, if those lines show up every single time, I'll just remove them from the .sys file. And yeah, once we get back to being able to do something again, I'm not going to actually read through all things again. But yeah, exciting stuff. We did it. Installation now complete. We're gonna get to the desktop, guys. It's happening. Oh, it feels good. It feels damn good to finally, it never told me to take out the CD, so I'll do that after, but it feels damn good. You know, the way I should have reacted when that error came out, I should have been like, "Nani?" I should have said that, but it's just like, oh my god. Like, so theoretically now the easy part is done, and then we gotta install drivers. Are we still gonna get all the errors? Most likely we are, but we're gonna have the first boot to the desktop, and we're gonna see what actually works. I'm assuming nothing is gonna work, just being generous, but who knows? Maybe we'll actually get a full display, something like, you know, 1028 by 768. That would be quite nice. But I already have the driver folder right here of stuff that I'll need, and this is, this guy only put 4 things. So Broadcom Ethernet, yeah. SciTech Snap, I don't really think I'll need that. SoundMax, of course. TrackPoint, the TrackPoint already works, so I don't really think I'll need that. So Ethernet's gonna be a big thing, and the sound's gonna, it better freaking have MIDI, man. It better have MIDI, that's all I'm gonna say. I will say this boot though does take quite a while, you know. So yeah, I'll have to edit this down a little bit, just having to cut out the unnecessary stuff. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Here we go, loading into the desktop for the first time. Just gonna try and start net service, even though I didn't install any net service. That's the thing with Warp 4 that it likes to do. But can move the mouse like normal. Are we gonna get a nice sound? No, we have no sound. I'm just gonna exit that for now. Yeah, but here we are. We're on the desktop, and I will say it does look really nice. Alright, I click. Let's look at some. Well, let's look at some settings before I really install drivers. So. Yeah, typically OS2 Warp is very noisy. It's been a while since I've used. Oh, here we go. Here's the system setup. What about for our resolution? The resolution is quite small. Yeah. System. Screen. So 640 by 480. It doesn't seem like there's a graphics driver actually installed on this thing, so I'll have to do that. We got no sound, so we're pretty much running just a bare bones operating system right now. What else can we look at? Programs, anything new? We got games, we got Mahjong Solitaire, Klondike Solitaire, OS2 Chess, so 3 usual games. I'll have to install the OS2 Entertainment Pack. Internet connection, do we got IBM Web Explorer by chance? Internet utilities. Ugh. Middle click button doesn't work. So yeah, maybe I will have to install that. Driver. Multimedia. Can we watch that video? Oh god, are we running in 16 color mode on this? We are. It's 16 color mode. Oh my god. Yeah, we definitely gotta install some drivers. Look at this. Pretty good. Get the full video. Did you know that macaws live to be like 80 years old? So those macaws are still probably alive, and they don't even know that thousands of people have seen them in OS2. So yeah, we'll download some drivers and we'll do this. Do you know what's one thing that sucks? You know, when you deal with legacy hardware so often, you find out that the modern ThinkPad doesn't have a DVD drive, so you gotta use this one. This is why this one's my main driver and the new one isn't, because it's just so inconvenient. This is convenience. So yeah, we're gonna put all the drivers on the CD, and hopefully it works. Oh my goodness, Here we go. Burn 'em. Yes, that's okay. Yes. Man, the screen looks so bad on the camera. Well, I'm just doing this on my phone. I really do gotta buy a camera eventually. Which driver do I want to install first? I'm thinking I want to install the sound. So I got the video driver from the ThinkPad site and the rest from the IBMfiles.com where I got this guide. I trust the IBM files more than the ThinkPad site because the ThinkPad site typically only caters to Warp 4.0, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So we'll put the CD in and I'll try first to do the sound driver. Now I've had bad history with installing video and sound on OS2 because we can still make this thing kill itself. And that's what scares me because I can install a driver wrong, or it could be the wrong driver, because you never know with these websites. It's all about trial and error, unfortunately. So let's open up our drive. Movable media, I guess. These. So this removable media, that looks interesting. Might be the D drive. Okay, it's the D drive. So you can actually right click just to open that. So what I'll do, oh yeah, I can't highlight everything. Great. So just, can I shift? It's not like, no, so I'll just drag them one by one. Where's my executable, by the way? Where's my executable for the video? There we go. Okay, that's more like it. So I'll highlight all these. Oh, come on, you picky bastard. Highlight these and right click and drag them to the desktop. Wait for that, and that's another thing. Like I wish with Warp 4 they would put like a progress indicator, like, you know, certain percentage is done, where we just have these copying over. And it's not a big deal, but like when you're working with floppies, it just takes a while. Oh my god, are you kidding? It's extending the desktop. Oh my god, what is this? All right, we'll move that over so it looks somewhat more presentable. All right. Okay, first one I want to do is the sound driver. All right. readme.txt. At least it's not readme.first anymore. Okay. Run install.cmd for the manual installation of this. For an unintended installation. You know, this came out in the year 2005 and it's starting to freaking look like it. Or 2003 for this driver. So I just run this and it will work? Yeah, I hope. Alright. Oh god, what's going on? Yes. Install. The config.sys file must be changed. I know. Hell yeah, I do. And oh god, I gotta read about that on the other computer. Just a second, because you never know. It's probably just the number 1, but I'm just gonna read through the text file a little bit. And it doesn't say anything. Okay, so 1. All right, so theoretically we should have sound drivers now. I must restart my system. Not enough memory. I don't even know how much memory I have in this. It's probably 512 megs. What, is that not enough? Oh God. So we'll take out the CD. Then I'll press the button. Come on, get out. Oh my God. Whatever. Whatever. Control, delete. Let's restart. Damn it. Eventually we'll... Oh my God. So apparently now we got sound driver, it says right here, Sound Max. Now this says line 86 instead of 88, so that's interesting. So, yes, we should hear a startup sound. Oh God! Oh my God, it works! Holy crap! I didn't actually think it was gonna work. Okay, all right. So get out of here. Yeah, yeah, boy, yeah, Dekita. Oh God, that's loud. The speakers are alright. So let's test something out. Let's test if MIDI works, because on the T43, MIDI doesn't work. In fact, actually, I'm gonna bring over my T43 just to prove my point. Yeah, so now we're on my T23. Get a load of this customization, by the way. Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? So yeah, unfortunately, if we go to MIDI on here, you know, I'll try to select the ball game and it just will not work. It makes me so sad. It makes me so sad. This has always been a problem with Warp, unfortunately, but hey, I was watching a little bit of Review Tech USA, by the way, but let's see if it works here. Can you do it? I'm very, very doubtful, honestly, but hey, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. It's not gonna work. There's no way. There's no way this is gonna work. Unfortunately, that's a known issue that they never fixed. I love MIDI though. That's the thing. I love MIDI so much. Yeah, I don't care. I listen to MIDI. Ooh, look at this thing. Let's test out some multimedia capabilities. Let's listen to a music CD. Thankfully, this music is not copyrighted and it's all over YouTube, so you can find Mariko Nagai. She's pretty good, I'll say. See if this works. Should. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Seems like unlike Windows, it doesn't start up right away, so I gotta go to the CD player. Look at all these different players. You think they could have just put them in one program? Okay. Pretty good. I mean, MIDI, a -1 point for the MIDI, though. Like, come on, IBM. They never, ever fixed that issue. MIDI only works. Out of all the ThinkPads I've used, it doesn't work on the T43. It doesn't work on the 755C. It only works on the 380 line, I've found. Yeah, so if MIDI's a deal breaker for you, unfortunately, I can't recommend it then. It's not a deal breaker for me because I can download my MP3s and MP2s and play my CDs, so that's pretty good. Okay, the next thing, and this could probably nuke the system. In fact, I think it's a 50-50 chance it will. We're going to do the video driver. Because no 16 colors, please. See if this actually does anything. Oh God. What did that do? What? It didn't do anything. Let me do a little research on this file then. Okay, so it's a little bit more complicated than that. So I have to make a new folder on the C drive. Open that. And it says to go to C drive drivers, and there is no drivers folder. Great, so I gotta make the folder. Joy. I'll maximize that. Is there no... I just want to make a new. I just want to make a new folder. Oh, damn it! Damn it! How do you do this? Ugh. Oh god, sometimes I feel so stupid using this. So what I'll have to do is this. Oh my god, I'll close this for now. Oh, wait a minute. So it just extracted itself here, actually. Okay, that's interesting. But it's recommended that I move this to a new folder called drivers. So one thing you can do on OS2 is this is the templates thing. This is how you create new folders in OS2. So you have to go to your programs, then you open up your drive. You want to screw it, I'm not even going to do that. But yeah, you can drag and drop your folder and do it from there. I can just run it from here. So it extracted itself. Okay. Let's scroll down. Setup.cmd. That's probably what I have to run, isn't it? Let me read. Okay, so before running setup.cmd, set your language to the correct language. Yeah, I'm running everything in English. It says like, oh, you can run in Japanese as well. I'm like, I'm not doing that. I see now. I gotta do this all on prompt windows. Come on, why is this harder to install? So we gotta go to the OS2 window. Okay. So now, oops, I accidentally kicked the box. I gotta go to the right directory, so CD desktop. Okay, sorry about that. I just ran out of storage. That's always very annoying, but now I'm reading this notepad file and yeah. So, all right, CD, OS2, and it says to go to the video folder. So CD video, there we go. So all I need to do is type in setup space SDD C, apparently. Hey, it's doing stuff. The target file is newer than the source file. Yes, I want to overwrite. Oh, are we going to see that? Is this thing going to go at full resolution? Man, that would be sexy. Okay. And that should be it. You just run the command and that should be all. Oh man, because they want you to do this instead, to do it the proper way. I've been trying to press Control-Delete. It has not been working. Typically when you press Control-Delete, maybe that's not a thing on this version, who knows. Imagine if this thing just won't boot anymore. I've had times where I was messing around with graphics drivers, and if you install the wrong one or some weird type of incompatibility, this should be the right one, but you never know with the ThinkPad website. You never know. With the 380, it would just corrupt the display. So let's hope that this is the right file and I should see something very nice. Or maybe the error screen, I won't be able to get past it this time. There's just so many variables right now. And if I can't do that, I'll have to search the internet or live with 16 colors. And I don't really want to live with 16 colors because I need a little bit more than 16. You know, it's either all or nothing. I'll do monochrome, but I will not do 16 colors. Unless if it's like Windows 2. But I have no plan to ever use Windows 2. Because it's boring. Like, I haven't even used Windows 3. I've used Windows 3.1 and 3.11. Alright, let's just hope that maybe our line about... No, that's still there. That's okay. I'll have to go into the sys thing and get rid of that. And that's annoying too. Will we... It'll still boot in, right? Oh god. all these screens we gotta go through just to boot. Holy God, that looks bigger. Or maybe that's just me, but that looks a lot bigger than it used to be. But that looks a little... No, it's about the same. Okay, so I already see that we have more color depth here. You can see down here, there's definitely visibly more colors. Yeah, so that looks way, way better already. But what I'm gonna do is I'm hoping that I can just go into, I think it is a system setup. Oh, so, okay, I see what it meant in that folder now. So when I downloaded, actually I can just show it here. Minimize that, close that. So this folder was, oh come on, you should have labeled it graphics. Oh my God, Control Escape and I can go there. Oh man, that is kick ass. All right, we're going all, this is the maximum resolution, I'm pretty sure, but maybe we could go even higher. Could we go even higher? Let's find out. 256, no, we're going all the way. 16 million colors. Yeah, max it out. Go big or go home. Actually, there's a second page. What's on the second page? Oh, okay. We'll just keep it like that for now. And let's restart. Hopefully this doesn't kill it. I'm sure all of you are really bored of seeing this screen multiple times. But this is how I know we're gonna get in. I just hope I didn't flub this up and just went too crazy with the graphics. And imagine just this boots in and it's just dead and then I gotta reinstall it. Let's see. Oh. 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 That is sexy, man. Wow. It doesn't get any better than this. Wow. Look how beautiful it looks. OS2 is one of the most beautiful operating systems. Where did my taskbar go, by the way? Oh no. Oh no. If I open a window. Oh, that's annoying. Well, that's definitely annoying. Okay, we did it a little too big. If I move my mouse over here, yeah, that's way too huge. Why are all the icons spread out now? That in itself is kind of annoying. Oh my God. We gotta make this smaller. No wonder the Windows XP thing was like, I looked a little bit in the Windows XP installation, they had it at like 1400. No wonder they had it at that, because that's the actual resolution of this. So I gotta restart again. And it's all about trial and error. But man, this looks freaking nice. Oh yeah, I would make love to this operating system. Okay, so that looks slightly more acceptable. The taskbar is so tiny, but man, that looks nice. Okay, so we did the... I'm just going to delete these things. We did that. Delete that. Yes. Yes. We installed our sound driver, so I'm going to delete that. Yes. Yes to all. That should just go in. Ah, screw it. Okay, next is going to be our Ethernet. Unfortunately, there's no Wi-Fi. That is fine. And I have the README open up on a other computer. So yeah. let's do this. I'm just gonna do this all from the desktop. It'll just make things a lot easier. So, okay. Broadcom Ethernet OS. I'm gonna rename this folder actually. Properties. And I'm just gonna call it Ethernet. Ethernet. There we go. And put that right there. Alright, so this says to go to the OS2 system. System setup. Double click on MPTS network adapters. Where would that be? Oh, okay. Here we go. All right, it says click on configure. Click on configure and then confirm LAN adapters and protocols is selected and click next. Okay, so click the configure. Okay. Also, when you're going through the notepad, make sure you're doing the clean install option. All right. So we want to click on other adapters. The path is the C drive, desktop, and then our Ethernet folder I just renamed. Then NDIS2/OS2. Okay. And I should be able to click OK, and this should be fine. Okay. Alright, that should be good. Select the following Ethernet adapter and network adapters. Okay. Wait, what does it mean by that? Shit. I'll come back to this. I don't get it. Okay, now I get what it's trying to say. So, in the Ethernet network adapters, select Broadcom Ethernet and add the protocols as required for your network. Add the protocols. What? Okay. I don't know what it means by that, but okay, we'll click on OK then. That's not very good instructions. It just says, all right, anyway. I don't know. Click OK. Configure. What the heck? Is that it? Is that all I have to do? Just click OK and then close. Oh, and then I click. Do I click install next? Click exit. What? Why would I exit? Okay. And click exit. Okay. Well, that didn't make much sense. Oh, I mean, we'll see if this works then. I'll get an Ethernet cable and we'll plug it in. So I just plugged in the Ethernet cable, and every once in a while there will be a light. So yeah, there's a light. So I must have did something right, I hope. So we'll restart this and see if it works. Oh, I miss wizards. Okay, let's see if we can get on the internet now. Oh look, we got that. Maybe that's the thing? I don't know. We'll do a simple Google test. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Wait for this thing to end. Because it says net start. I never knew what this thing was. Anyway, so we'll go to our Netscape Communicator. Hopefully I won't have to go through this all again. No, I don't want to create a new profile. Oh my god, why do I need to... No! No! Just open up the damn web browser. Oh my god, so I do have to do this. Alright then. Don't send me emails, by the way. I don't want a mail server. Can we get the Google? Well, yeah, Netscape.com doesn't exist anymore. Oh, got it. Can I close that thing? Good. Let's just get the Google. www.google.com. Excuse me? Are we not on the internet? Well, I still got orange lights on the thing now that I'm looking at it. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta do that stuff again? I don't wanna. But I guess I'm gonna have to. Damn it. It was green earlier, I should have tried it. You know, it might have been fine that first time. Fuck. Oh well. I'll troubleshoot this thing off camera. Or maybe not, I'll just do it on camera. I'm thinking I probably didn't add the proper protocols. That's probably what happened. So I gotta add some TCP IP to this thing. So we'll do this. We'll do it again. Okay, so this is some setup. Go back here. Oh my god. Configure. Not configured. It doesn't. This file doesn't say anything about the other stuff. So that is configured supposedly. This notepad file is not very helpful at all. Just reading through it. Okay, we'll keep on going. I'll have to kind of wing it, I guess. So configure that. Okay, I'll have the IBM TCP IP maybe. Maybe? We gotta make sure we have the Broadcom Ethernet on there as well. Okay, maybe it's because I did that. That's probably the reason. So yeah, we'll do okay on that, and maybe that'll work. So close that. Do I exit again? Is that how you do it? Like no actual install button? Okay. That seems really weird that there's no actual like progress installation or something. You just exit both times and that's it apparently. Am I getting a green light here? Is it still... Like, I'm getting a green light now. Every once in a while there's a green light. Can I go to Netscape? I know it's probably pretty pointless to try out Netscape right now, but might as well try it. Yes, I know. No, okay. So I'll have to do this again. So where we start? Okay, I think I might have got it. So I see here. You see here, this is green now. This wasn't green before. At least maybe I didn't see it properly. But I think we got it. It's green, it's contacting the network. It's gotta be good. Just has to be. Okay, let's see if the internet will work this time. I sure hope it does. Or else I'll try to have to do a little bit more troubleshooting online. See if I can actually get on the internet. Unable to locate, okay. Let's go to Google. Oh my god, are you serious? How come the internet's not working? Like, does Bing work? No, nothing works. Come on, man, are you serious? Like, you are online, apparently. I don't even know if I am online. How do I check in this thing? So, oh my god, there's all this stuff. LAN. Connection. Oh, I don't know. Shouldn't this thing just connect instantly to the internet? Wow, there's a lot of stuff. I don't know any of this. What is all this? Why can't I just connect to the internet like normal? Oh god. Wait a minute, what? Come on. Maybe this? Enable the interface, I would hope. Gotta reboot again? I don't think that's gonna change anything actually. Why wouldn't that be enabled by default? Oh god. Oh, here we go. The DHCP client did not get parameters because I was rushing that. So, I think I did something right, actually, by enabling that. And I rushed it. That's not good. Okay, so I think that's good. So I'll restart this thing, actually. And the thing with Warp, though, is that takes forever to load. That takes forever. And I don't even know if that's the correct thing, honestly. Warp takes freaking forever to get this damn IP address, so I'll see. Ugh, God. I hope that is it. I hope that's the problem. So apparently from here now, it's going to be trying to load some DHCP information. Ugh. So last time I pressed enter and I guess that canceled it out. So we'll give this thing some time. But it was taking like a minute. A minute. The hard drive wasn't doing anything, like as you see right now. No hard drive indication. I'm gonna take a look at the thing. We got a green light, but it's just a standard green light. And you know, me being me, I was like, oh, flashing orange, that's good. That's not good. But I'm not even getting the flashing orange right now. So obviously it's looking for something. There's a flashing orange, it's flashing a little bit more. It stopped. So something's happening. And then one flash. Ugh. Ugh. It takes freaking forever to do this. Oh. No. DHCP client did not get parameters. Okay, but we're getting somewhere though. We are definitely getting somewhere. So I may have to take a little bit more look into the setup information that I put. Okay, guys. I think I got it. And it's literally the dumbest thing in the world. I feel stupid, but at the same time, oh my god, man. Oh my god. So it's loading the thing right now. And apparently it's supposed to take 3 minutes. 3 minutes to find a DHCP address. Oh my god. Yeah, so I was looking on my other ThinkPad just to see the settings, and yeah, I'll show you what's going on. Oh god. And now we should be able to get on the internets. I'll show you how dumb this is. I'll show you what you have to do. Oh my god, man. It's just like, wow. Wow. While I do love this operating system, there are certain quirks about it that are just... I don't want to deal with you. I don't want to deal with you. I just want to open up Netscape. So yeah, that showed up. That was never showing up before, so we're on the internet. Netscape's site is down, but we should be able to get on Google. Google.com. Voila. I figured it out. So it's a combination of my stupidity and the interface. So for example, we go to System Setup, we go to our MPTS, and this is what you gotta do, guys. So we're gonna go to Configure. We're gonna configure this stuff. All right. So I'm gonna remove this. Yes. Remove this. Remove this. And remove this. Okay. So originally, I was dumb. Okay. So they were showing like TCP and whatever it is. So originally, I thought like, oh, you just gotta select Broadcom Internet, and that's how you do it. Because when you click Add, that's the thing. And I didn't think click Change, but you just click this. All you gotta do is double click this. And there it is. There it is. Now it shows up there. I don't know if I'm just dumb or what. And then we can add our IBM TCP. And that's all we need. That's literally all we need. We click OK, and oh my god, now it's going to update the config.sys. Yes, exit. And that's it. That's literally it we got to do. I wasted so much time on that. You know, the thing they could have made it a little bit more obvious on this, where it says like, you know, click Add Broadcom Ethernet. Why would you click Add? Because when you click Add, it says to add the file. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Let me take a little look-sees. Nope. I was the one who was wrong. I didn't click add. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I like to think I know stuff about computers. I like to think that I know. But I do stupid things sometimes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Alright. So... we got one more driver to do, and then that is it. Yes. Okay guys, I'm not going to waste your time with the mouse driver. The mouse already works fine on here. The only thing that doesn't work is the middle click button, but according to all the stuff I've read about OS2, it doesn't actually support middle buttons or that kind of stuff, so that's no big deal. But so, we're done. Look at it. It's beautiful. So now I'm going to customize it, install some software, and yeah, I did it. It's working gloriously. Internet, graphics, all that stuff. Yeah. Yeah. This can be potentially a main driver. Oh yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, guys. It feels good. It feels really, really good. You have no idea. Here we are on day 2 of this little project, and I finally customized Warp to make it the way that I want. I edited out all those annoying error lines as you're about to see. It's gonna boot smoothly. I don't have to touch this at all. No more errors. Now I present to you the perfect Windows alternative. No other operating system even comes close to this. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah, that is pure good feelings on the ears. And I've customized this thing to make it the way that I want it to look. Oh my god, all this stuff is reopening. Oh my god. Oh, that's funny. So yeah, we got Lotus Smart Suite on here, which is IBM's Office Suite. This is actually the last version developed for OS2. Such a shame, because it's not bad. Got Warp Amp, so we can listen to MP3s and MP2s. This, in my opinion, is absolutely mandatory for this. We got the Launchpad back for ease of access when I want to access my folders. I've been starting to customize folders with different colors. The level of customization. Windows 10 does not even come close. Windows 10, you can barely customize it at all. With OS 2, you can pretty much customize every single element to make it the way that you want it to be. We got Warp Calc, an actual calculator program. I don't know why IBM didn't bundle one in. We got the full Lotus Smart Suite right here. Got everything. We can go on the internet. We can draw a picture. Yeah, we can do pretty much everything. It is perfection. If you buy a T43, I know 95% of people who buy these are just going to install Windows XP. I highly, highly, highly recommend this. I know it doesn't seem like... I'm a little rusty when it comes to this stuff, I'm going to be honest. I know what I'm doing, but at the same time, I don't know what I'm doing. But I hope I can become way more proficient in this operating system. Because it doesn't get any better than this. It honestly doesn't. The only flaw is that it doesn't have MIDI. That makes me so sad. Oh, but I highly recommend this if you have the Windows XP era ThinkPads or any ThinkPad in general, because all the IBM ThinkPads support OS 2. I think with the exception of the G40 maybe, but pretty much all of them support OS 2. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. And as for the next project, it's either going to be something with Windows Me or something with Warp 4.0. Oh yeah. Anyway, until next time, see ya. And with that, the last official IBM ThinkPad running IBM's operating system. Truly the end of an era.